It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, March 7th. I'm James Spann. This should be the warmest week so far this year for the state, with highs up in the 70s, and rain chances will increase late in the week for us, but big issues to the west of Alabama. Let's go in there and check things out. We have the water vapor satellite view this morning. A trough developing in the western U.S. that will be digging down into Mexico by midweek, keeping the active weather really west of Alabama through Wednesday. Starting off the day with numbers all over the board. Another example of why this is not a one-number place. You got Gadsden at 36, Birmingham 17 degrees warmer at 53. Tuscaloosa 41, but again, everybody warms up nicely with at least low 70s likely today. Around the nation, the big spring thaw is on. You can see that tongue of warm air coming up through the southern plains. On the watch warning map, flash flood watches in effect for parts of East Texas, West Louisiana, and around the Arklatex. Red flag warnings for high wildfire danger for the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles and points north. And severe storms are possible today for parts of Texas and Oklahoma, with a marginal risk up to South Dakota. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk for the areas between San Antonio and Houston. A slight risk up into Oklahoma and as far east as Shreveport and Lake Charles. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, there is the standard slight risk of severe weather for parts of East Texas and Louisiana. A marginal risk up to Little Rock, but there is no risk defined beyond Wednesday. And I really don't think we have any issues with severe weather in our state, despite the fact we have all that going on to the west for the first half of the week. And wow, that's a lot of rain. But notice the tight gradient across Alabama. Let's go to the 7-day look here. The bullseye's about 1 foot north of Lake Charles. And in our state, this is suggesting, we might wind up with over 2 inches in spots, especially over West Alabama. And our best chance of rain clearly will be Thursday and Friday, as you'll see. So let's dive in here and take a look. Model fans, this is the GFS, the 06C run, valid today at noon. Big trough on the west coast, ridging in the east. And again, for us, a beautiful day, mostly sunny and very mild with low 70s. A surface low is northeast of Denver. Showers and storms break out over Texas and Oklahoma. That's where we have the risk of severe weather. Tomorrow, the surface low is near Lubbock. We're dry. How about mid-70s? Both the NAM and the GFS are at 75. But again, that certainly suggests a chance of severe storms for East Texas and parts of Louisiana and Arkansas. Wednesday, the surface low is near Fort Smith, Arkansas. And again, very wet with flooding concerns, very high for Louisiana and Arkansas. But for us, really, the ridge is holding. A mix of sun and clouds with mid-70s, maybe upper 70s in spots. In fact, the NAM is showing 77 for Birmingham on Wednesday. And I guess we probably will need to mention a small chance of a shower near the Mississippi border, but it's just that, a small chance. Thursday, the surface low is just not moving. It's around Shreveport. And again, we'll certainly mention a chance of showers and storms on Thursday, but even then, the bigger rains will likely be west of the state. And in our state, the better chance of rain will be near the Mississippi border. And then Friday, the thing begins to kick out. The upper trough that's been over Mexico begins to lift out. And that would seem to be a fairly wet day. And really the same thing on Saturday. I don't think it rains all day. A lot of people are planning things on Saturday, but it definitely could rain at times. Maybe some thunder, but that's not a severe look. The dynamic support weakens as the trough fills. So a risk of a shower Thursday, perhaps the better chance Friday and Saturday. And then the trough kicks out, and at this point, Sunday looks dry. And the high would be around 70. No sign of any cold air here. So rather unsettled Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Pretty good potential for a dry day Sunday. Monday, a week from today, March 14th, a new trough in the western states. And this is suggesting maybe a shower, but no big deal. The end of the forecast. This is Wednesday, the 16th, middle of next week, trough in the west. We've still got a high around here, and that looks dry and mild. And look at the CPC guidance, March 14th through March 20th. Late season cold snap, no sign of it. Numbers off the ensembles. Cold snap, no sign of it. basically across the board, highs in the 70s and lows in the 50s, and I think most folks will enjoy that. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.